Hello. Let me ask you a question.
Okay.
Do you know what kind of the natural disasters can happen around the world?
Yes, I know. Well, earthquake, right?
Yes, earthquake.
Tsunami?
Yes, tsunami.
Tornadoes?
Yes, tornadoes.
Then floods?
Floods, they are dangerous. But hold on. What did you say just before that?
Tornadoes?
Yes, tornado. That's what we are going to show here.
What are you saying? Here?
Yes, here.
No, not here.
Oh no, it's not dangerous. I'm going to show something like a tornado with an experiment.
Okay. It's just an experiment.
Yes, what I want is 2 water bottles.
Okay. Here we have 2 water bottles.
One of the bottles is filled with water. The second bottle is not filled with water, it is empty.
Like this.
Take both the bottle caps and make holes in them using the scissors. The holes must be of the same size. Have a look.
Okay.
Now we have to join these bottle caps back to back and tape
Like
it.
this?
Let me help you.
Okay, sure.
Now put the cap on the bottle filled with water and screw the empty bottle on other cap.
Okay.
And that empty bottle on top of it.
Like this. Done.
There, it is ready. Is it the tornado? No, not yet. Now we are going to turn the bottles upside down. Well, is the water flowing down?
No, I don't know why.
Yes, as you know, due to gravitational pull, the water must flow down. Well, hold on. We must do something.
Okay.
We need to make a tornado and then the water will flow down.
Really? Show me how.
Shake it in a circular
Shake it?
motion. Yes.
Like this? Oh.
Can you see it?
That is nice. It looks just like a tornado.
Just like a tornado. Is it dangerous?
Nah.
How did we get it?
Well,
What did you learn from this?
I have seen tornadoes made by air, but this...
As you saw before, the bottle filled with water was at the bottom. We turned the bottles to keep the empty bottle at the bottom. Water must flow down, but it did not.
Right.
The air in the empty bottle cannot go up as it is blocked by the
Correct.
water. When you shake it, the air escapes through gap and the water also rushes down.
Oh.
This gap near holes allows water to flow down and air to escape through till the bottle is empty.
That is interesting.
All the best.
Do you want to do it? Do it.
Yes.